Austin, what are we gonna do today, Austin? What do you want to do today?
Adventure time!
Okay, this is the second take, and that was a lot better than the first one. The first take, he was very mad at the camera. I don't know why. I guess he doesn't like you guys, but... So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to go check out some sneaker shops around the island. There's not really too many over here. The biggest one obviously being Truest, which is where we're going to hit up first. If you guys don't know, it's a consignment shop. So consignment is like... It's what people use before StockX and GOAT, basically. So you bring your shoes over to the shop, and because they have like a wider audience, they help you sell it. Anyway, so he helps me sell that stuff, and yeah, stuff moves over there pretty well. But the stuff that doesn't move, that's what I'm actually gonna go pick up today, just because I have a lot of jackets and stuff in there that I was trying to sell. But it's summertime in Hawaii, and it's summertime everywhere, so those items aren't moving anytime soon. So I'm just gonna pull it back for now, figure out what I'm gonna do with it. So that's what we'll see first, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Is that okay with you, Austin, or are you gonna be mad again? You okay?
I'm gonna be mad.
You're gonna be mad again? Come on, man. It's summertime in Hawaii.
Nah, enjoy.
Nah. Okay, bye.
I'm dipped in off-white, I'm probably off-white. It's heme in my system, we party all night. It's M's in my bank, my grandkids be alright. Yeah. Ooh, I'm high off the power. Ooh.
Thank you.
Nothing.
Man, this is for real not nice.
Logos, man.
The box logos, these hoodie things. Look at the cost.
What?
Try look at the price on it.
God damn!
You like wear this for?
Yeah, right?
No? You're not feeling that? You're not feeling that? Look at that! Look at all those Levi's. It's crazy. Tokyos. These are like some SB LeBron things. I have no idea how he has those. Those are like super rare. These Jeter 11s right there. Those things are like over 10 grand.
What?
Signed like MJ and LeBron shoes over there. Bro, I'm so disgusted with myself though. Look at that on feet. Yeah, it's on feet. What's on feet? That's Hawaii, man. It's actually better than wearing shoes. I feel like I just gotta wear the shoes because of this thing. If not, I'd be wearing slippers too, man. There's no point otherwise. It's too hot in Hawaii.
And then dark gray. This is the first one and second one.
Oh, there's a first edition?
Yeah. That one get the
This
gel
one
on the
says
bottom.
Truest.
And this one normal, the gel on the bottom.
Oh, interesting. How much does this cost?
Hold on, let me, it might be like $1 million.
Shoots? Is all. It's only $1 million. That YouTube money got this covered then, right? Just kidding. This is the main reason why I come in here though, for these socks.
Just to make fun of me.
No. Well, obviously you have to see John, but these socks are a good plus. They're a good plus.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, man.
Drive
Appreciate
safe,
it. Yeah, appreciate it. Without a doubt, one of the best sneaker shops you will ever go to in your entire life, ever. Like, if you're ever in Hawaii, you definitely got to come to this shop. Like, without a doubt, I'm telling you guys, best shop ever. Tell them Untied sent you. Maybe you get a discount, I don't know. Probably not, but it's worth a shot. It's freaking recording. So dumb, dude. No, I never sold over here, so we'll see.
They're open.
They are open, yeah, of course they're open. What is that? Future Craft.
Oh, you have to pull it out. I see.
Oh, you don't know how this stuff works? Don't do it. It's yeah, just don't do it. This is like the second shoe I think I ever sold before. Not for $250 though. That's expensive. How much is that with everything inside?
Oh, I don't even know.
With everything inside. Yeah, you like bomb. 45. Only problem is when you go through security and stuff, you gotta make sure you know nothing bad in there. Huh? Oh, here we go. You guys sold all your sales already too?
We only had one.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I'm sure you're gonna get plenty more once the stock comes in, yeah.
It's crazy because the price actually usually after drops, the price goes down now.
Tell me about it, man.
This one went up
by $100.
Yeah.
Tell me about it. It was insane. It's a good summer shoe. I think it'll come back down eventually, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the undercover one.
Same, man. That's the one that I'm hyped over.
Yeah, those are still sitting on some sites too.
Yep. Yep. Hey, you're not supposed to tell me that, man. What if I was gonna buy them? That's good. At least you look out.
Yeah.
There you go. There we go. Okay, so we're still looking for. What are we looking for? We're looking for sale 87s.
Yep.
Sale 87s. Yeah, because I haven't seen it in person yet, and I didn't get a chance to cop for retail, so literally went to like all 3 of the sneaker shops in Hawaii. Like all 3. There's only like 3. This is gonna be the 3rd one, so hopefully they have it. If not, then StockX or Goat, I guess. How's that drink taste though?
Tastes like blubber.
Yeah, the sale colorway for the 97s, 87s. You guys even have the black one in stock?
No.
Anthracites? Ah, they're probably coming all this week, that's why. No, they sold out of all the sales. They only had the anthracites.
What the fuck?
I know, dude. I've been looking, and I went to the bank too, and bank didn't have either. I still haven't worn this yet. I was gonna wear that today. So what, Travis never like come visit? Nah. I messaged John right after. He's like, yeah, man, I don't know what the hell happened. Seriously, like one of the best sneakers of the year, for sure, for sure. See, this one, I thought the denims were gonna be nice, but I don't know, I didn't really like the black pair. The blue pair is nice though. I actually have one of these coming in. Oh, 366, bro, that's a lot. Oh, I don't know. I have never seen that before. Oh, 19, what is this?
Versace.
Oh, it's a Versace? That's interesting. Dude, did you see the price tag though?
Fucking 19.
Yeah, 19, dude. I have never seen that in my life.
You got like a 4-inch lift.
But yeah, if you want height, you gotta pay for height, I guess. Who says you can't buy height, right? Yes? Yay or nay? No? You know what this is?
I want to say 25. 3?
Okay.
Oh, you're kidding me.
No, keep going.
35?
No, keep going.
5. 6.
55. 55. Should I buy it? Resale value lit? No. It is nice, but 5,500, dude. It's an LV Supreme collab, that's why. But it doesn't warrant 55. I don't think so. I mean, if you have the means, then why not, right? But I don't have the means. That's too much. Yes, sir. You watch the channel?
My name is Alan.
Alan! You want to be on the video? When do you start watching the channel, though?
I forgot.
He's a liar, man. He's a liar. Only recently, guaranteed. Nah, that's dope, man. What's your favorite series?
It's a beater box.
Beater box is better than the hype beast?
Yeah, it's more. It's.
You like shoes more
there's a
than
lot of different stuff.
Yeah, I feel you. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Dope. Thank you for watching, man. I appreciate it. Do you watch Austin? You don't even watch. Are you sub?
I am sub.
No, you're not. You're a liar. What was the last video posted?
I don't.
Yeah, see, as he goes next to you. Oh yeah, that one. No support, man. No support.
The cruise box one.
Huh? Yeah, it was a cruise box one. See, this guy knows. Look at that. So we're friends. That was just yesterday. So that was pretty much a complete failure of a day. We didn't find one single pair of React 87s in the sale colorway, man. And it's kind of depressing because that means I got an L on Friday and I got an L today. So hopefully everybody gets their pairs in like relatively soon so I can try to cop from somebody locally just because I really want a pair. And yeah, resale's gone up quite a bit for them since they dropped. But it's such a clean sneaker. I hope it's a clean sneaker. I saw the black today at Truest. But beyond that, I'm not too sure how the sale looks. But yeah, that's pretty much all 3 of the main shops that are out here in Hawaii, man. A lot of good people out there. The store owners are really dope. The people in there are really dope. So if you guys have the opportunity to check out Truest, Original Grail, and the Bvnk, highly recommend all of them. And if you guys want to see videos actually like in the store doing sneaker shopping or, you know, breaking it down top to bottom, what they got for sale, prices, things like that, let me know in the comments below. happy to go back to any of those shops and let you guys know how it is, because it might be pretty cool when you guys are out here on vacation or whatever to come visit one of the shops. So let me know which ones you guys want to see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I don't do it very often, so it's not very professional or whatever, but if you guys like these kinds of videos, I can definitely do more of them in the future. But until next time though, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoot!